Yo, what's up guys, Nate Vlog here. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. So today we got ourselves, wow, Alice's Kitchen chicken pot stickers. Alright, authentic Asian style dumpling. There we go, look at that, attempting to make dumplings. So of course got this at the Dollar Tree. Yep, that's where all the content is. But anyways, last time we tried to attempt to make dumplings, epic fail. So all morning long I've been watching videos on how to cook, so I think I have an idea. Let's try again. Alright, so this isn't just a regular review video. This is attempting to cook / review. Alright, let's get it. You know, I really love dumplings, and for some reason, I just don't really know how to cook them. But this time, let's see it. Alright, vamonos to the kitchen. Okay, so there they are. This is what it looks like. I know it says ready to eat in 90 seconds, but we're going to do it the professional way, okay? No microwave. Yeah. Alright. Get this open. How many did they give us? Let's see. 3, 6, 9, 10. 10 of them. Okay. So the first step they said, directly out of the freezer. Don't let them sit and defrost. No. I don't think so. So they're frozen, rock hard, ready to heat up. So here we have our pan. Turn on the flame. There we go. Got ourselves some olive oil. Yep, nice. Pour that in there. Okay. Yeah, that should be good right there. Okay, let that heat up, huh? Olive oil. Let's see, is that oil good to go? Is it hot? Okay, so a good way to test if your oil is hot, take your chopstick, put it in there, and yep, see how it's boiling? Right there, yeah, it's hot. It is good to go. So what we want to do is heat one side up. Oh, get a crisp on one side. Wow. There we go. Okay, put the lid on, turn down the fire. Yeah, turn it down, medium, and let that crisp up one side, and then we're gonna steam it with some water. Waiting. Let's just go ahead and check it out. See how we're doing here. Getting there. Oh. Got to at least crisp up on one side. Yeah, see, that's doing it. More time. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is perfect. They're not all turning out like that. Why not? Oh, some of them. Oh, there we go. Yep, that's doing it. Alright, let's check these out now. Oh, look at that. Alright, yeah, they're ready to go. Alright, now, our next step is to steam them with some water. Half a cup of water, in we go. Steaming, lid on. Let that go. Turn down the fire just a little bit. Okay. Waiting. Now what we want to look for is the water to evaporate. So yeah, still got a lot going on there. Leave that on there and just keep checking up on it. Gosh, I hope I'm doing this right. Alright, check this out. Oh wow, you see how the water's disappearing? Yeah, almost done. think we're doing a good job here for once. All right, yeah. Check this out. Oh wow, it is done. All right, look at that. Water is evaporated. Turn this off. Done. Woo! Dumplings. Yeah. All right. Nice and easy. All right. Keep it going. No burnt, right? Didn't burn them. I don't think so. No, we're good. I hope. They look a lot better than last time, that's for sure. Uh-oh. 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 Take that off, yeah. Alright, there we go. Oh, wow. And there we have it. Dumplings. Does that look like this? Yes, it does. Perfect. Let's go ahead and review them now, huh? Okay, there we go. Check it out. I'm ready. But unfortunately, I don't really know how to make a dipping sauce. I know you're supposed to have some professional, delicious sauce for this, but I mean, I'm lucky I even was able to make this, okay? So we're just gonna go with regular soy sauce, unfortunately. But all right, hey, look at that, crispy on one side and soft on the other. Now let's see how they taste. Without soy sauce first. All right. Yeah. Wow. I think this was a success on attempting. Now flavor on the other hand, kind of bland. So now dip it in there, soy sauce. You know, that helps. I wish I had a better sauce, unfortunately, but as you can see, we do have a nice crisp I was able to do. Crunchy. Oh, chicken fell out. Oh my gosh. I don't think they're supposed to fall apart like that. But yeah. Can you believe it? Got this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. They give you 10 of them too for that amount. Not bad. Wonder if it's real chicken though. There's no veggies, so I'm surprised. You know how they like to fill it up with veggies. Not good. There we go. We got ourselves the pineapple juice for the cholesterol. Yeah, help that out. Cheers. Oh yeah, that is perfect for the morning. Well, good thing I didn't burn them this time. I remember last time, I think I pulled them out too soon or something, or added too much water. And just trying to get them out of the pan, they're just all breaking apart, falling, and it's ridiculous. But this time, they're together. You want a bite? Huh? Have some. Enjoy. You know what? They're not that bad. Just a little bland. That's all. Definitely needs a sauce, but soy sauce, yeah. I think you need to add a little extra seasonings in there or something. I don't know. I'll give this a 5 out of 10. Yeah. Not that they don't taste bad. It's just there's nothing really to it. I don't know. Okay, we're on our last two here. Last one. Look at the crisp on that. That looks perfect, doesn't it? There we go. So anyways, yeah, we're on the right track of making dumplings now, and I've definitely got to review more. And there are different types of dumplings all around Asia, and yeah, maybe that might be the new series, right? You know how I have my noodle videos? Well, how about dumpling videos? But definitely got to keep practicing on making them. Noodles are easy. These, yeah, a little difficult for sure. So, alright, anyways, 5 out of 10, and yeah, next I gotta know how to make the sauce. So, like and subscribe all the way. We'll see you in the next video. Oh, is that PayPal right there? It sure is. Hello, PayPal. Nice to see you. Oh, Venmo. Hey, I didn't forget about you. All right. I know. I see you. Description down below if you want to support Nate Vlogging the legendary reviews. All right. Yeah. We'll see you. Dumplings, but Potstickers. Is that, what is it? Different names, huh? Gyoza. Just regular dumplings, wontons. Gosh, so many. Bye-bye.